Okay, this video is to help you finish the topic area of a circle. And the way we did this in class is we set up a chart with radius, diameter, circumference, which is pi times diameter, and then area, which is pi r squared. So I'm looking at a problem on Khan right now, and it says to find the area of a circle with a diameter of 4. So if my diameter is 4, remember the diameter is, it's called a chord. It's a chord, which is just a segment that has 2 points on the circle that goes through the center of the circle. So if my diameter is 4, my radius, the distance from the center to any point on that circle, would be 2. Circumference is pi times diameter, or you may have learned it in middle school as 2 pi r, would be pi times 4. Now normally you type in the 4 first. You put the 4 first when you're writing an answer in terms of pi. And then the area for a radius of 2 happens to be the same as the circumference, because if I do 2 squared, pi times 2 squared, that's going to also give me 4 pi. But that's the only circle where the circumference and the diameter are the same. Let's see. Okay, I'll do one more example. Oh, that one's basically the same thing. Let me get something different, see if they give you anything tricky. Okay, now there are some in here where the circumference is given, and what I have noticed as I've been helping students is that the circumference, if it's given as a decimal, it's always a multiple of pi. So in this case, they say it's 31.4. So if 31.4 is my circumference, then that is equal to pi times my diameter. So I would just divide both sides by pi to figure out what the diameter is. So if I do 31.4 divided by, now in this case I'm going to use 3.14 and not the pi key. That gives me 10, so then my diameter is 10, my radius would be 5, and my area would be 25 pi, because area is pi times my radius squared. Okay, I'm going to stop there. I think that's about as difficult as it gets for this one.